Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Henry. Today I share with you how you can create this simple food poster design using a Photoshop with just a easy way. To learn this, let's get started the video. In first step, just create here a blank document. Just go to File and just click on this New. And in this you can select here a 1000 by 1000 height and width. After this, you just click on this create button. With this blank document is created. Now just create here a background. I am just go to side panel and I am selecting here this pen tool. In this pen tool, I am just selecting here this freedom pen tool. I am just click on this. With this, I am just creating here randomly shape. Just create here a shape, whatever shape you like. I am just create here this is simple shape. You can create according to your preference. Now this shape is created. Now you have to go to adjustment layers and select here this solid color layer. And in this you can select here any color. I am just selecting here this greenish color. After this, just click on this OK button. Now I am just go to adjustment layers and I am selecting here another color fill layer. Just select here this is solid color, and in this I am just selecting here another color. Let's select here this reddish color. You can just change these colors later if you want. I am just select this color, and now just move this layer on a color fill layer 1. I am just move this layer here. After this, just go to side panel and select here this text tool. With this text tool, I am just type here some text. Let's type here healthy. Now this healthy is type. I am just press Alt key to make a copy of this. Just press Alt key and move this here. With this copy is created. Now just double click on this text thumbnail and you can type here another text. I am just type here food. Now I am just increase here its size. Just go to top and you can increase here its size. I am just selecting here this 30. Now this size is increased. Let's select a move tool and adjust it here. You can also adjust this healthy text according to your preference. I am adjust it here. You can also adjust these text later according to images. Now I am just typing here some food related code. To type this, I am just press Alt key to make one more copy of this healthy text. I am just double click on this and I am just copy my quote here. I am just type here this quote: fuel your body, feed your soul. I am just press Ctrl C to copy this. Now I am just press Ctrl B to paste this text here. Now this food related quote is added on our this canvas. I am just adjust it here. Let's decrease here its size. Let's adjust it here. Now I am just go to side panel and selecting here this rectangle tool. With this rectangle, I am just create here a rectangle to pop up this text. Now this rectangle is created, but when you click on this is filled with the black color. Just click on these properties and you can select here this fill. In this fill, you can select here this no color. Now this color is removed. And you can also add here a stroke. I am just click on this stroke and I am changing here the stroke color to a white, and you can increase here stroke values. Let's select here 1.96 pixels. Now just click on this properties. Now I am just create here another rectangle. Just select here rectangle tool and just create here another rectangle. With this, we can adding here some call to actions. Now just click on this properties and you can just change here its color from none to this sample color. I'm just taking a sample from the image. Let's select here this color, and I'm also change here its corner values. With this is looking beautifully. I'm going to change here its corner to a round shape. Now let's adjust it here. In this we can type here a call to action. Now I'm going to type here with this text tool order. Now let's type here a order. Now I'm selecting here a move tool, and I'm just adjust its size according to this rectangle shape. I'm just adjust it here, and now just I'm press Alt key to copy this text. I'm just type in this text contact us. You can just type here your mobile number. I'm just typing here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and you can also adjust this text wherever you want. Now these all typography is added. Now I am just select this contact us layer and this healthy layer, and press a shift key to select these all layers, and press Ctrl G to make a group of these layers, and just type here name of this group is text. After making a group of these layers, just click on this file and click on this open, and you can open your food image here. I am just open this image. Now this food image is opened. Just drag this food image in our this document. Now this image is imported. Now just decrease here its size. I'm adjust its size here. Let's rotate it. Now adjust it here. Let's select this text of view your body coat, and just select rectangle 1. Press Ctrl to select these two layers, and just decrease here this text. Let's adjust it here and decrease its size. Now select this food, and you can rotate it according to your preference wherever you want your image. Let's change its name to a food. Now you can see here these all elements are added. Now to make it beautifully and realistic, just select this text layer, and you can add here some shadows. Just double click on this text group, and with this blending modes are open. Now just click on this drop shadow. With this shadow is added on our these all typography. You can see here, you can adjust this shadow, and you can increase and decrease here its opacity. I am just selecting here opacity of 31. After this, just click on this OK button. I am also add a shadow on this food. I just double click on this and click on this drop shadow. With this shadow is added. You can also play with this shadow. I am just adjust it here. After this, just click on this OK button. Now you can make here adjustments if you want. Let's adjust this text here. Now you can see here this poster is created. To give a texture to the background, I am just select this color fill layer 1 and going to adjustment layers and selecting here this solid color layer, and in this I am just selecting here this gray background. After this I am just click on this OK button. Now I am just convert this into a smart object. Just right click on it and convert this into a smart object, and just change here its blend mode from normal to overlay. With this layer we can adding here a texture. Just change its name to a texture. And now just with the selecting this texture layer, go to top panel and select here this filter. In this filter you can select here this filter gallery. In this filter gallery you can select here any texture. I am selecting here this texturize and just click on this, and you can select here any texture. You can select here this brick texture. You can select here this sandstone. I am selecting this sandstone, and you can also play with this scale value. You can decrease it, you can increase it. I am selecting here 135%, and you can also play with this relief value. When you increase this with this, the texture's sharpness is increases. When you decrease it, this is look smoothly. I am selecting here a value of 2, and you can also select here this light. With this you can select here where the light is coming from. I am selecting here this top left. After this I am just click on this OK button. With this you can see here the texture is added on our this background layer. You can see here. I am just zoom this for you. You can see here this texture is added on our this image. Now if you want some adjustments, or you want to increase the size of any text or decrease of size any text, you can do that. I am just increasing here size of this food and healthy text. Just selecting this, and I am just increase here its size, and I am just adjust it here. Now you can see here I am forget to write here websites. Let's press Alt key to copy this text, and I am just drag this to a left side, and I am just type here www.website.com. Now this website text is also added. You can type here your website name. Now you can see here our this food poster design is completed. That's it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.